Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be unboxing the BOXYCHARM for this month. So if you're interested in seeing what we received, I'm going to do a try on, tell you if I like it, don't like it, all the prices and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so this is the box this month. I've already opened it, obviously, because I did my makeup already. So the theme this month, it just says, Totally BOXYCHARM. That's what it is. Alright, so the first item is the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil, and this is by Wander Beauty. This was really nice. It came out pink and it had a little bit of shimmer in it, which kind of threw me off, but it was a very thin texture and it went on pretty good. It was my first time using it, so I don't really know if I like it or not, but it didn't mess up anything, so that's good. So I'm gonna have to keep testing this out and see if I like it. This retails for $42. Wow. $42. It says, this multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion. No matter what skin type you have, the lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps to restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. The spill-proof dropper allows you to use it one drop at a time. But this seemed nice. I probably would have never paid $42 for it. So it looks pretty good. We'll have to test it out more and see. Next is the Ace Beauty Glitter Shimmer Duo. And these are the two colors that we got in the box. This one here says French Vanilla. So this is what it looks like. And this one here is in the shade Huckleberry. And I really like this color. It's really pretty. It does kind of have like a bouncy, wet texture. And I'll show you right now, but when I was putting it on my lid, it looked pretty, but then once I used other eyeshadows to blend it out, it like completely went away. It was kind of weird. So I had to reapply it, honestly, probably about 3 or 4 times. So the color's really pretty, but the formula doesn't seem to stick very well. This silver one, the French Vanilla one, is really nice. I used it for my inner corners and it was really pigmented. I feel like this one probably worked a little bit better than the other shade, but I'm gonna have to mess around with them more and see. So those little glitter duos are retailed for $25. It says high pigmented soft shadows with a creamy texture, specially designed for the ultimate color payoff. These shadows provide bold color in one swipe without fallout, creasing, or fading. So the fallout didn't really have fallout, but it definitely faded. The creasing, not really, but definitely fading away. Okay, next this is what I was really excited about. This is the Becca Hydra Mist Refreshing Powder. I've seen a couple videos on this and a lot of people really liked it, and it's something very interesting and different. It's nice because it has, you know, the protector and you have to lift it up. You lift that up and the powder is right in here. And it is the craziest feeling on your face because it literally feels like you're putting water on your face. I kept trying to look at my brush to see if it was like wet, but it wasn't wet at all. It's just the powder was so cold and just watery. But I really liked it. I'm excited to try this more because I do like that it has a more refreshing finish rather than a matte powdery finish. So I'm definitely going to use this more often. I really like this so far. Good first impression. This retails for $39. And it says, the weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky, smooth, and visible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin, this powder creates a mist-like sensation to the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. So everything it says in the description is 100% true. I do feel like it was a mist-like sensation on the skin, and it's very comfortable. Like, I don't feel any powder on my face. So I really like this. I'll definitely be using this one. Next in the box is this Big Ego Tarte Mascara. I love the packaging. It's really cute. The brush looks exactly like the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. I actually have that because we got it in the box a couple months ago. So let me show you what they look like. So this is the brush on the Too Faced, and this is the one for the Tarte. So they literally look exactly the same. When I tried it, I think I like the Better Than Sex formula better. So this says it's an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a full loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. And it retails for $23. So this one, I'll use it more and test it out because I do have false eyelashes, so I didn't get to really see what it looks like just by itself. But first impression wise, it was okay. Nothing crazy out of the ordinary that I love. Next is this Steve Laurent lip liner. I was really excited when I saw this in the box because it's definitely my type of color. It's a nice nude, but it has a little bit of a mauve color to it. This says, reshape, resize, and redefine your pout. This lip pencil is total magic. It smooths over your lip line for a seamless and flawless finish. Completely waterproof, so no transferring or bleeding all day long. Lasts for up to 7 hours. And that retails for $15. I really like this one. I'll definitely be reusing it. I'm not sure how long it's gonna last. So yeah, I really liked that. So I'm gonna go ahead and add up everything and see the value for this month's box. All right, so this month it is a total of $144 worth of value, and obviously you pay $21 a month, so it's a really, really good deal. My top two for sure is the lip liner and the Becca Set and Refresh powder. I really am excited for these ones. These are going to be something I use on a day-to-day basis. I'll definitely try out the mascara more, and also this here. This seems nice. I just don't really notice a huge difference. So yeah, this is a really quick video, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you got this month's box, let me know your favorite item, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.